Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this lace flower and how to join them together. I've used 1.5mm hook and some 2-ply cotton yarn. So let's start. I'm going to start with magic ring. So here is my yarn and I'm going to do a magic ring and chain 1. Chain 1 doesn't count. And now I'm going to place 9 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the ring a little bit and slip stitch on top of the first single crochet. And now close the ring completely. So I've got here my 9 single crochet. Second round I'm going to chain 1. Chain 1 doesn't count, and now I'm going to place 2 half double crochet into each of the 9 single crochet starting from the first one. So yarn over, insert into the seam and start by doing half double crochet. So the first stitch could be tough. So 1 and 2, and now 2 into the next, 2. So I'm going to have 18 total of half double crochet. To finish the second round, I'm going to slip stitch on top of the first half double crochet. And now for the next round, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 4 counts as a triple crochet, and now I'm going to do a triple crochet into the same stitch. So yarn over twice, insert into the seam and do a triple crochet. And now I'm going to do 2 triple crochet into each of next 2. So yarn over twice, go into the next and do triple. So 1 and then again 2, and then into the next one 2, 1 and 2. So you can see now I have 5 triple crochet and the chain 4, so total 6. And now I'm going to do a chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then repeat again. Over the next 3 stitches I'm going to do 2 triple, so 2 into each. Yarn over twice, go into the next, 1, 2, and then into the next 2, 1, 2, and into the next 2, 1, 2. So I've got now 6 triple crochet, and now again chain 4 and repeat all the way this pattern. So 6 over the next 3 and then chain 4 and again continue. After the last 6 triple crochet, I'm going to do again the chain 4 and slip stitch on top of the chain 4, 1, 2, 3, and on top of the 4th I'm going to slip stitch. And now for the round number 4, which is the last round, I'm going to chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to do 4 triple crochet together. So I'm going to do over the next 4 together. So yarn over twice, insert into the next, pull up a loop. So you should have total of 4 loops into the hook. So yarn over, go through first 2, and then yarn over, go through the first 2 again, and you should have 2 loops into the hook. Yarn over twice, then insert into the next and pull up again another loop, and then I'm going to go through the first 2 loops and then again go through the first 2 loops. So I have now 3 loops into the hook. Yarn over twice, insert into the next, pull up a loop, and again go through the first 2, go through first 2, and 4 loops into the hook. Now yarn over twice, go into the next, pull up a loop, and repeat, go through the first 2 and go through the first 2 again, and now I have total of 5 loops into the hook. Yarn over, go through all 5. So here I've got my 4 triple crochet together, and after this I'm going to do a picot now. So to do the picot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now I'm going to go into the side of the stitch, so this one, the last one, and if you check closely you'll see this, not this one but the side, these 2 loops. I'm going to insert and slip stitch over there to make the picot like this. So you've got this picot done, and now to finish off this petal, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and slip stitch into the last triple crochet, so this one. So 1 petal done, and now into the chain 4, in between the triple crochet I'm going to do single crochet 2, 1, 2, and I'm going to do a chain 4 picot in here. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to slip stitch going through the top front loop of the single crochet and the side loop, so onto the side of the stitch, these 2 loops, and slip stitch, and to finish 2 more single crochet into the same chain 4. So 2 single crochet, chain 4 picot, and then 2 single crochet, and now again I'm here into this 6 triple crochet. So I'm going to slip stitch into the next one, so this first triple crochet, slip stitch, and I'm going to just repeat now this bit here. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and do 4 triple crochet together. So every time yarn over twice, insert into the next and pull up a loop, then go through first 2 loops and again first 2 loops. So you'll have 2 loops into the hook. Yarn over twice, go into the next, pull up a loop again, and go through first 2, go through first 2, 3 loops into the hook, then again yarn over twice, and you're going to repeat like this 2 more times. You should have 5 loops into the hook, and then yarn over, go through all 5, and now I'm going to do my chain 5 picot. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and then slip stitch into the side of the last one, and then chain 4, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 and slip stitch into the last triple crochet. So the second petal is done now, and now I'm going to repeat the same as this one. So single crochet 2 into the chain 4, 1 and 2, then chain 4 picot. So I'm going to chain 4, 1 2 3 and 4, and then go back into the single crochet and then slip stitch, then single crochet 2 more and repeat. Now I'm going to slip stitch into the next triple crochet and repeat the same thing all the way. After the single crochet, now I'm going to slip stitch into the chain 4 of the last round, so the previous round. So if you look in here where the chain 4 started, so I'm going to go there and slip stitch, then chain 1, cut the yarn, and pull. That's it.